having a look at my new listing and what will be an awesome new home by DB Arendt Custom Homes on Bird Key. Hey there, Drew Russell here, Sarasota's waterfront and luxury real estate specialist with Michael Saunders and Company. I'm coming to you from the site of what will be a great collaboration and a new home on Bird Key. Bird Key is a residential barrier island just outside of downtown Sarasota, and this site is going to have an amazing custom home built by David B. Arendt Custom Homes in collaboration with DSDG Architects based here in Sarasota. This home will have 4 bedrooms, big pool, great room, 2 offices, and best of all, some of the best location you can buy in Sarasota. So we will keep you posted on this exciting, hot new listing. Thanks so much for watching.